And I was going to show you guys a acupuncture point, and you can do it as acupressure to help, kind of help your immune system if you're starting to feel a little bit sick, or you can even do it as a preventative to try to help. And one of the things we use is it's called a Tei Shin. This is not an actual, it doesn't pierce the skin type of needle. It is a form of a acupuncture needle though, and you can just use your thumb if you would like to. And so the point I'll show you today is it's called large intestine 11, and it's used for a lot of different things, but one of the things that it is good for in acupuncture is for helping your immune system, and if you're starting to feel a little sick, run down, if you start to feel like you're getting a fever, something like that, it can usually help. Of course, I'm not saying this cures everything or anything like that, but something you can try. And so basically, if you bend your elbow, it's kind of right here in the crook, and that's one of the things they even call it is the crooked pond. And if you just take your thumb and you find like a sore spot, the most tender area is probably the best one to use. And so if you find that spot, just push in with a nice even pressure and just hold it for about 30 seconds. And as you do it, just, breathe in and out nice and easy. And over time, over that 30 seconds or so, it'll actually start to release. And I would do it on both arms when you do it, and you can do it, 3-4 times a day if you need to, or just once a day, and that will help kind of just stimulate the healing effect from these acupuncture points. So have a great day.